Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really simple redstone clock. I'm going to show you two redstone clock designs, and I'll just start off with the first one. So the first one is the most simple one. You just need to take a comparator, redstone torch and some redstone dust. Place the comparator where this dot is, switch on the dot, turn it like this, put a redstone torch, and then your clock is ready. You have to keep a redstone torch there, then your clock is ready. What you can do with this is you could make a spam piston, and I'm not going to speak when I'm doing a spam piston because the noise will be too much. Okay, might not work with the piston. Okay, we'll use a door. Okay, I've not used this clock much because I don't think it's that good, but I mean, if you want to use it, you can use it because it's too fast. I feel that the clock is a bit too fast. Now we'll go with the second clock called the redstone repeater clock. So the second clock, what it does is that it is like a clock which is really simple. And by the way, and if you want to make the clock really slow, you need to put all of these to maximum ticks. Okay, then just connect these bits here. Okay, then you should see that they all activate. And if you break the lever, as you can see, they'll still be activated. So what you're gonna have to do is quickly break this, place back the redstone, quickly break this, place back the redstone, quickly break this, place back the redstone. Then you've got yourself a working redstone clock. And well, if you set one to this like this, you could do a really quick clock, but nothing is as quick as the comparator clock because it's so fast. Okay guys, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a few things like about redstone clocks, and I hope you learned like a few like these designs of redstone clocks. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Adi Raptor Gaming out.